My name is Kane, I'm the Executive Chairman here at ACM. Our institution is for creative minds. So it's music, games, film, TV, broadcast. And so what we're about is an interdisciplinary education. At the heart of it, we have partnerships. And those partners, including Sony, bring the very latest technology and put it straight in the hands of these young creative minds, where incredible things happen.
We're here today with Sony's latest camera, the Z200, and we're doing a workshop to help them use the camera to create promos, self-record and review their performances, and then later, at tonight's showcase, record and stream the event live.
So this is a fixed lens 24 to 480mm camcorder. It's going to give you loads of flexibility in a kind of run and gun environment where you're moving around quickly and you're needing to find focus quickly.
It feels good the way it sits in your hand.
It is nice to hold, and it's nice that you've got dual controls on the top handle and the side. Running around on stage, and if you're having to do manual focus the whole time, or you're not having trackable autofocus, it's incredibly sharp and it's just almost immediate as soon as you touch the screen.
What you're doing is you're putting technology with a very low bar of entry for using it, but one which is so feature-rich it grows with the student as they discover and develop. To have a rounded skill set is really, really important. In this case, we're talking about recording, mixing, mastering, producing an album, understanding your artistic identity, but then we're talking about how you project yourself, and actually filming that is a crucial part of the overall package. And see that camera track and follow with the AI technology that's built within it. If they don't have to worry about any of that, they can focus on their creativity. And that in and of itself will elevate the outcome because you've taken away all the stress and the burden of them having to learn how to use it in the first place. Probably quite a game changer, I think, in this industry, certainly for education.
Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it is hard, but that's all part. If life was flowers and blossoms bloomed, then life wouldn't have space.
I really enjoyed working with this camera today with the AI and the focus tracking features. It really helped with refining my performance and looking back at what we've done to improve it.
By having the right industry partners, the best tools, the best nurturing environments, it closes that gap between what industry needs and what education should be doing. And technology plays a huge part of that.